Bananas on a dry me making my salad now. So in here so we have spinach, we have some lettuce, carrot, cucumber. Over here we have raisin, some flaxseed, cranberry, a little salt, olive oil, and apple cider vinegar. So let's make the sauce. A little vinegar, we have a little olive oil, a little salt, not a lot, just a pinch. Alright, I'm gonna cut this up, the spinach. So, mincing this up. Here, I have a little flaxseed. A little bit more. Kind of like the nuts, the crunchiness. Add some cranberry. And this, I'm gonna add my dressing. Never eat it. Contact clean like this. Last but not least, this is some salmon. Yep. Rich in omega-3. Yep. Yep. Oh yeah. Guys, I'm telling you, this is off the train. Yep, delicious. And that is my salad. Yep, that's it.